Hey superstars, I'm Sue and welcome to my channel, Reviews with Sue. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and supporting our channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Sue and I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button. So would you like to know what today's unboxing is all about? Well, I have some products to share with you from Madam Glam, New York. And if you want to know what's inside this box, then just keep on watching.
Doing reviews just like I do. Hanging out with your friend Sue. It's Sue.
And I'm back. I have some products to share with you from Madam Glam, New York. If you're not familiar with Madam Glam, New York, it's a website where you can go to and purchase all your gel polish needs. They have the polishes, they have the top coats, the base coats, the decals, the stickers, they have the tools, they have accessories. You name it, if it has to do with your nails and gel polishes, they probably have it. Now, I am doing this collaboration with Madam Glam, New York. The items I'm going to be sharing with you today were actually gifted to me from them, and they also gave me a discount link as well as a discount code I could pass on to you all. So if you use that link down below, it should automatically give you 30% off any of their individual nail polishes. Now, if for some reason that link doesn't work, then you can use the discount code that I'm going to have down below. Now, when you get to the checkout, it's going to ask you, do you want to become a VIP member? And what that means basically is you're signing up for a subscription, but the subscription is actually in your hands. It is $29 per month. What that is going to include is $29 worth of products that you actually pick out yourself. You are going to receive 50% off all their individual nail polishes, and they also offer free shipping for the VIP members. Now, if you don't want to become a VIP member, that is totally fine. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click on the button that says pay as you go. So you go in, you buy your items, and then you check out, and that's the end of it. And another thing that's really nice is if you don't have anything that you need that month, it will automatically roll over to the next month. So if there's something like bigger that you want to save up for, then you can kind of like let the months roll by and then get like a bunch of stuff at one time, or you can get one really large item. So again, thank you, Madam Glam, for sending me these items over. I so greatly appreciate it. And another thing too is they're always adding new polishes to their site. So if you go there one day and you go back a couple weeks later, they're always launching different colors, and they have such a huge array of colors. It's like totally unbelievable. So let me go ahead and get into this box because I'm sure that's pretty much what you want to see, right? So here is the box. This is how it does get delivered to me. And when you pop open the box, it does have like a little pulley thing, but usually I can kind of like just get it like unstuck, which is what I'm doing right now. When you open it up, it looks like this right here. So I do have a little card here on top, and then you can see there's foam on the top and there's going to be foam on the bottom. So your polishes will get to you in one piece. I've never had any break on me all the times that I've been getting this box, and I've gotten quite a few of them, and I'm telling you, I love doing my own nails from home. It's a lot cheaper. If you go to a salon, it costs you like $50, $40 to get gel polished nails on. And it's crazy. So when I can do it from home in front of my TV, when I'm relaxed with my hair up in a bun or a ponytail, I am all about it. So here is a little card right here. It does say here that they are vegan, 21 free formula, cruelty free, and palm oil free. Now these polishes are long lasting. They can last on your nails up to 21 days. Yeah, that's like a really long time, right? Well, my nails actually grow out quite quickly. So I usually change my polishes probably like once a week, maybe once every other week. But I usually like to change the color up because, you know, I do these videos and everybody sees my nails. So I don't want them to see them when they're all grown out. So I did use the gel nail polish in today's video, and I'm going to start showing you all the colors I have. Oh, another thing, on the back of this card, it does have step-by-step instructions on how to apply the gel polishes. Whenever you're using gel polishes, you do have to have a UV light. Now, they did gift me one a while back, so this is a light I have been using. It's one of the mini lights. It's not that expensive, and you can purchase it on their website, but I do believe my discount code is only on their individual polishes, and they do have some larger lamps that look really nice too. But with this little light here, you need to cure it between each layer of polish. So when you put like your base coat on, then you have to cure it underneath a UV lamp. Then you put your, you know, whatever polish color you want on, you want to cure it underneath. So you can do 1 coat, 2 coats, 3 coats, and the best way to apply it is very, very thin coat because you don't want it to look too clumpy on your nails. So let's go ahead and get into the colors that they selected for me this time around. So first of all, I am going to start off with this color that I can't read the bottom of. This is Because I Said So. Yes, Because I Said So. This is the first color right here. It's a really pretty purple color. Now, if you haven't seen any of these videos before, you can see right on the top, that's exactly what the polish is going to look like right there. So I did go ahead and swatch a few little tips right here. So this is the first color right there. Now, it's not the color on my nail. I know it looks pretty close, but it's not the same one. So you can see right here, if I put them right next to each other, that is going to be that color right there. And again, this color is called Because I Said So. So there's that one right there. Then for our next color, this one is going to be called True Red. Now, I'm not usually a huge red fan, but I thought let's give it a try and maybe I'll try this at Christmas time or something. So this is the next color right here. This is the top of it right there. And you can see right here, I did do my little swatch. So let me see if I can put it like on my finger. So you can see that is actually what it would look like on my nail right there. So that is the color right there. I know you're getting a little bit of a glare. It's probably better if I just hold it like this. So there is the color. And you can see if I match it up here, you can see how nice and true it is. And you know, when you're looking down at your colors, like if you have them in a drawer or in a box or anything, when you look down, you can actually see the color. So you don't have to pull up like each bottle individually and go, what color is this? What color is this? It makes it so much easier when that little piece is there on the top. So there is that one. Now this color is really fun. This is like a Sioux color. I know I don't wear this color very often, but it's still really fun. This one is called Sunset in Hawaii. Oh, I wish I was in Hawaii right now. Oh, do I? But it's okay. It's really nice here in Michigan. Well, actually, it's storming out right now. So if you hear any thunder, that's what it is. So this is the next color here. It's a really pretty orange color. This is what the color is going to look like right there. When I did my little swatch, this is what it looks like right there on the swatch itself. And you can see how much it actually does match up right there on top. Now with these here, I did actually do 2 coats of polish, just so you know. And again, thin coats. When you first start out, you always want to use a base coat, a thin layer of it, put it under the UV light. Then you're going to put your color on and you do it in thin layers, put it underneath the light. If you want to do another layer, go ahead and put it on, put it underneath the light. And then lastly, you always want to put a top coat on because this is what's actually going to seal it. When you put your polishes on and you put it under the UV light, your fingers might feel a little bit tacky still. And that's okay because when you're all done, you're going to put the top coat on, you're going to cure it underneath the lamp, and then your nails are going to be completely dry, which is so amazing. You don't have to sit there and wait and fan your hands around for like hours and hours. It's such a game changer when you use the gel polishes. So now let's go back to my colors over here. So the next color I have is going to be called I Do. And this is I Do right here. So this is a really pale pink color. I'm thinking when they came out with this particular line, it probably had something to do with the wedding because it is a fairly light color right there. You can see. Now I think this one might have a little bit of a glitter to it. Let me show you the tip that I painted. This is the color right there. I do believe it might have a little bit of shimmer to it. Now this color is a little bit paler than I actually thought it was going to be, but it is still really a gorgeous color. And you can see here, if we put it up to the top there, you can see that is the match right there. Now, if you want to, you can always put a third coat on. But again, what do I always tell you? Thin layers and cure in between. And then for our final color is, yes, the color I have on my nails right now. So this particular color is going to be called Fantasy Glitter. And it's in this bottle right here. This is the top of it. And then you can see right here, this is the color here on my nails. So I probably could have maybe put a third coat on. I only have 2 coats on my hands right now. And I think I could have went maybe just a little bit darker and then it would have been a little bit more creamy looking. But this is the color here on my nails right there. Look at how pretty they look. Yes, they do. I'm getting a little better each and every time. Now I did break a nail. If you're wondering, why are they so short? Well, I broke a nail, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. And so what I decided to do is just cut all my nails down. So now I have them a little bit shorter. And you know, I have to say, it's a little bit easier like when I'm typing or editing my videos on my computer or on my laptop. So I might just keep them this length, or who knows, I might let them grow back out. So that's pretty much everything I have to share with you guys today. If you do have any questions about gel polishes, please feel free to ask me down below in the comment section. Your interaction means the world to me, and I just love communicating with you all out there. I do want to thank Madam Glam again so much for sending me over these amazing colors. I can't wait to start playing with them. Well, actually, I already did start playing with them. I am going to have other information down below in the description box. Remember, you can receive 30% off with my discount link. Or if that doesn't work, you can always use my discount code that's going to be down below in the description box. If I have any giveaways going on, I'm also going to have that link down below in the description box. So other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. So please be safe, be well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.